Hey, I'm interviewing a few women in engineering. Would you mind answering a few questions?
Yes, of course, I'd love to.
Okay, so tell me about yourself.
My name is Ari DeVere. I am a first-year applications engineer at the Lee Company. I work in the solenoids division, so I work more with aerospace and oil tube, Formula One, stuff like that. I really was interested in the aerospace field. I did an internship a couple years in a row working in the aerospace industry, and I knew I wanted to continue that route. It was something I was really interested in, not only for the mechanics behind it, but also just learning a new field. Very interesting.
Did anyone in specific inspire you to go into this field?
Yeah, definitely. So my stepdad is an electrical engineer, so he taught me pretty much everything I know about engineering and just, you know, enjoying how to learn. That's the best part about it, is just learning how to learn.
And what has been your favorite part about working at the Lee Company so far?
Oh, the environment, definitely. Everybody is happy, which I was not expecting out of an engineering company. Everybody's in such a good mood and excited to meet each other, and it's just overall good vibes.
And if there was one message you could tell your younger self, what would it be?
Calm down and just do it. It's not as hard as it seems, and at the end of the day, you know, everything gets figured out, so there's no reason to bug. Everything's good. Just do it.
I like that. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.